Hi, my name is Brandon from BrickiPhi SEO. I've actually built you a free website that I want to show you in just a minute. I am really passionate about helping small business owners succeed, and I think a lot of times business owners understand the value of having a website, but either it's too time consuming to learn how to build it yourself, or it's too costly to pay someone to build it for you. And so I wanted to add as much value to you as I can in a way that will help ultimately drive more customers to your business. So if you could imagine having a website listed on the side of your truck here that people could go to and visit and see a little bit more about your business and what you offer and stuff like that, and then it would give them a little bit more of a vibe of who you are and what you're about, and then drive them to contact and reach out and ultimately get more business for you. And so I think that sometimes that can be overcomplicated, and we get talking about search engine optimization and backlinks and Google ads and social media engagement, and the list goes on and on and on, and it gets a little bit overwhelming. And the more of those things that you start tacking on, the higher the costs seem to get. And at the end of the day, you're just trying to figure out how to have an online presence that can generate some more customer volume so that you can add value to people doing what you do. And so what I've done is I just built out a basic website that you can use to have a presence online. And so I'm going to just show you what I've done, and then if you like what you see and want to discuss further, then we can certainly have those conversations. But basically, I built a website with a home page, reviews page, and contact page. I wanted to keep it simple and sweet because the point is just to have a little bit of a presence online. So on the home page, I noticed that y'all had the same phone number for Mary's House Cleaning and Leo's Yard and Tree Service, and so I just combined the websites. Made it into one, because if you have two websites, then it would cost more money, obviously. And so what if you could just boil it down all onto one site for both companies? And so what I did was I created it this way so that you could have basically one website address that would help people to reach out to whichever service they wanted to use, or both. So here's just a quick view of what I created. And so you can see here I've got Leo's Yard and Tree Service and Mary's House Cleaning on this side. And the idea is to drive traffic to your phone so that you can talk to them and serve them and stuff like that. And so I listed some of the services that you offer. I talk a little bit about Leo's Lawn and Tree Service and about Mary's House Cleaning. You can pause this video if you want to read what I wrote. The idea was more to get kind of just an idea of what your website could look like, and we can certainly make adjustments to the script that I wrote here or the images that I used and stuff like that. All of that can be modified to some degree, but I just wanted to give you an idea of what the website could look like. And then I created this logo myself, and obviously we don't have to use that, but I just wanted to try to encompass both companies wrapped up in one website, which was my goal. And so you can see I have buttons here, contact, and I list those in several places. So the idea is whenever someone is ready to reach out, they click that and it will drive them to the contact page. Because the site's not live, I have to go over here to transition to the pages. But when it's live, you could actually click on whichever one of these you wanted to go to. So on the contact page, very simple, just a nice appealing image, and then here you can call or text this number or fill out this form, which would then forward to whatever email you wanted it to forward to. And then lastly is the reviews. People want to know that you're trustworthy, and so if we go to the reviews section, what I did is I put in some images, and we could use images that you actually have if you wanted, but then just put people's reviews in them so that it just gives it an appealing look for people to see, like that you are serving people that are appreciating what you do and stuff like that. And so that's essentially it. I want to keep this video short and sweet because I know you're probably busy running your business, but my hope is that I could basically make this website live for you. Building it out normally would cost a couple $1,000s. I've done it for free. There are some small costs associated with making a website live and keeping it up and running, but by building it already and doing it for you for free, we've just cut out thousands of dollars. And so if you'd like to discuss this further, just reach out to me. I'll put some of my information in the details below the video. And, again, my name's Brandon with BrickiPhi SEO, and you can reach out, and I'd love to talk with you. Have a good one.